What's up, YouTube? My name's Mike with Three Sons Guitars. Just starting out my shop here and starting my YouTube channel just to kick off the great guitar build-off 2021. Number of videos to put up for this project. Just wanted to highlight the design I'm going to be submitting. Probably a little simpler than some of what else is going up there for this amazing competition. But so just do a quick overview of what I've got and a really a little bit of insight into the mind of what I'm doing. Now, nothing I do here is fancy. This is, like I said, a home shop, no CNC, all templating by hand and all drawing on paper. So if I can do it, you can do it. So excuse the video quality. I'll be seeking to improve this as we kick off the challenge, but I want to get something done at least with the phone for now. This is my very rough sketch for a one-of build. The sketch will be in process throughout the whole build. If you're building a guitar, obviously the first thing you're going to want is a center line, and that's the foundation of everything. Typically on a drawing, I will have a much more neat list of all of my measurements, but this guitar is a modification of an existing model that I make. This is the first time I'll be doing it, trying to find a good pattern to make it semi-hollow and still have body contours in the back, using a large control cavity to get as much chambering as I can in the treble side. A huge sweep cutaway design, and what I have here is the white or black Limba Body that will serve as the host for this guitar. I've had this one kind of selected for a while. Had kind of a basic grain pattern with this one odd stripe, not very symmetrical. So this one's going to get a top, and we'll go over that shortly. But this is the base model shape for my guitars. So I cut out a couple at a time, and check out my website, threesonsguitars.com, and you get a chance to see what the parlor looks like and the single cut and double cut versions of this. Well, we're over at the bench, at the workbench. Again, we got to look at this Limba Body. The two pieces did not come out as a good match to make this just a solid body, kind of plain figured instrument that can look beautiful on its own if the sides are matched. But for this one, we just went with the black Limba. But I've been saving this one for a top. So for this build-off guitar, I put together this Zebrawood top, trying to utilize the best grain pattern we can out of that. Again, with our sweeping cutaway. Got one small inclusion here that we'll have to fill, but other than that, this should be a fun top. Big interest for the build, though. We'll have a mahogany neck. These are some flat sawn boards that I've used, and they are good, but I probably will turn a couple of these on edge and do a multi-laminate neck for this. And then there's choices of fretboards. I've got this kind of flaming maple, but the maple fretboard doesn't do it for me on this. Have a spalted neck. That too also is not much, but got this piece of Wenge, which I've never used for a fretboard, and it's starting to look pretty busy, but I think this is what we're going to go with. We're going to be throwing on chrome hardware, Hipshot bridges, Hipshot bridge, and for this one we're going to do a single pickup DiMarzio super distortion P90. So pretty simple as far as electronics, single control instrument. We'll probably throw a push-pull pot on here to be able to split that coil, and maybe play with what kind of capacitor we put in. But this will have should have an overall good look. We're going to throw in my Three Sons Guitars headstock, and we'll probably take a board from this piece of Zebrawood and get a headstock veneer out of it, just to tie the guitar together. So that will be a neck makeup that's going to be two-toned with a Zebrawood top. So hopefully it doesn't look too busy. But that's it. That's my submission for the Great Guitar Build-Off. Upcoming videos, we'll do a quick shop tour so you get to know who we are, maybe highlight a few of my guitars during the process. And other than that, hope you see less of my face and more of the work. Thanks for watching.